So today I'm going to Birch Knob. It's in Dickenson County, as I'd mentioned. The road up here is a little bit rougher than the one to Mendota. It's a lot of fun to drive actually in the Jeep. I'll show you a little bit of bits and pieces as I go along. I may have to show you on the way back what it looks like because I did miss a bunch of it as I was coming up the road. Once we get to the top, I'm going to fly the drones. I'll show you what it looks like from up here. You can actually see, I believe it's 4 different states, so that's actually pretty cool. I'm hoping to catch the sunset. That's what I'm going to try to do. It may be a little bit before sunset, so let's see how this turns out. Made it to the trailhead of Birch Knob Tower. It's a little bit of a walk. It's not too far, maybe a quarter of a mile, half a mile, I'm not really sure. But the walk up's a little bit, it's quite a few steps. But it should be beautiful once we get up there. Stairs to the tower. Correction, I was wrong. There's actually 6 states you can see from up here. I should have known. It's North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Ohio, West Virginia, and Virginia. The entrance to this Birch Knob is actually in Dickenson County, Virginia. And again, here's the view.